We play this silly game all the time. Now, I don't think you should have sent him packing like that, Mrs. Singh.
Sala, he's a nuisance.
We all have these little rifts. Today has been a bit of a stay. Both you and he will be all right after a jhappi and a puppy.
Me and a puppy?
Never fails. Do what you were planning to do and spend the morning together in bed.
I was planning no such thing.
Well, he was.
Was he? Well, I assure you, the last thing I do is jump into bed with that khota.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I don't indulge in that sort of thing.
I'm sorry to hear that too.
What sort of a wife do you think I am?
I really don't know.
Once you start that sort of thing, you've got no marriage at all.
Well, it takes all sorts, I suppose. I'm surprised how you ended up with little Sanjay.
I don't intend to end up with little Sanjay.
Oh dear.
The way he's been acting this morning, the sooner he goes away, the better.
No. The young fellow needs physical love and lots of it.
What?
I can see that my wife could teach you a thing or two.
If only I could resolve what's happened to my husband.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, he has clarified the situation.
You said you've spoken to him, and I'd like to know where he is.
He's upstairs, isn't he?
What's Jugi doing up there?
That is where he went.
To see Sanjay?
I thought Sanjay is at the schools.
Hello?
Oh, thank goodness.
Yogi, where are you?
Never mind that. वहाँ सब ठीक है ना?
Sort of, yes.
Nothing bad has happened?
There's a policeman here, but it's okay.
Policeman?
From Kalkaji.
Yes.
Do you want to speak to him?
No, thanks.
The policeman is quite happy, so it's okay.
Great. Is Sanjay about?
Sanjay, I think, has been drinking. Or he's on drugs.
He's had a lot to contend with this morning, darling.
The sooner he goes and shacks up with that girlfriend of his, the better.
Huh? Okay. Listen, darling, I'm on my way home right now.
Yes, you hurry up back home, then it's straight to bed.
Great. I'll be 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes.
I'm so pleased you patched it up with your husband.
Patched what up?
That is it. Never keep grudges. That has what kept we and Mrs. together for 20 years. I will be off then, Mrs. Singh. No need to see me out.
I'm sorry, but it's been a bit hectic here this morning.
All in a day's work and a little bit of advice about Sanjay. Just pull his trousers down and give him that treatment.
I felt like a fool.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
I've been waiting in that restaurant for 10 minutes.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. We must have missed each other. I came back here to look for you.
Honestly?
Yes. Did you deal with the police
What police?
just now?
That wasn't the police.
Wasn't it?
You've got your neighbors upstairs. They wanted some milk. I gave them some chocolate cake.
You mean the police haven't been here yet?
Not since the inspector this morning.
Oh, dear.
I'm going to go make some coffee, sit for 5 minutes and read the newspaper.
No. Don't let's hang around here. After lunch, we'll go to bed, read the papers, and have a lovely...
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
You looked at the front page and practically died.
Yes.
Something awful's happened, hasn't it?
Yes, sir. Hillary Clinton's expecting a baby.
That's impossible.
That's what Bill says.
Let me have a look.
No.
Give it to me.
No, it's my newspaper.
It's my newspaper.
No, it's my newspaper. I've got it. I need it.
What on earth are you doing?
I'm reading the newspaper.
Darling, it must have something to do with that bag on your head.
The door was open. I told you I would get familiar.
That's okay.
You must be this lovely lady, sir. Am I interrupting in something? Well, don't rush it in. Bobby Franklin from upstairs. How do you do? Well, if you're in the middle of eating, it's okay. You eat
I'm
it.
sorry about this.
That's okay, honey. I'm all for something different. Thanks for the chocolate cake. It was really nice. Well, I have never actually seen anybody eat. Silly me. That's a newspaper, isn't it?
Yes, it's a newspaper.
Well, good luck with your diet. I must get back to Sunil.
Uncle.
Is it today's? Well, nice and fresh.
What on earth are you doing? I'll make some coffee to wash it down. I don't know what Mr. Franklin must think.
Mr. Singh? My love, जाने जा you're my love, oh my love, जाने जा you're my love. I could run from a wife here, I could run from a wife there, I could run from a wife there, I could run from a wife here. दिल में दो घर होते, कभी इसमें उसमें रहते.
You certainly move around in that car of yours, Mr. Singh. कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा खा लिया क्या? No hurry up, take your time. Once you have pulled yourself together, you can explain what you are doing here, can't you?
I think I ought to tell you something.
Good.
It's about this flat.
Yes.
It's mine.
Tumhara?
Yes.
You didn't say anything about that when I saw you earlier this morning at your other flat in Malvinagar.
No?
Even when I told you that there is another Joginder Pal Singh who resided in a flat in Kalkaji.
No.
भूल गए थे क्या?
No, there is no other Joginder Pal Singh. Only me.
I see.
Yes, both flats are mine.
I see.
But Meera, Mrs. Singh doesn't know I have this flat.
I see.
Yes, sir. It's a little place I keep for...
Collecting stamps?
Yes, something like that. My little den, where I go for peace and quiet.
That's what I think too. Yes. I think you have got some little piece about here that you want to keep quiet about.
No.
I think you are leading a double life.
No.
Hey, the door is locked.
That's my maid. Yes, sweet little girl. Get on with your work, Bindu.
What?
I'll be with you in a moment, Bindu.
No, you silly fool.
They are so bloody smart these days. If I don't lock her in, she doesn't do any work. Get on with your work, Bindu. Excuse me, I'll go.
No, allow me. You stay here, Mr. Singh. Don't want you running off again. Banging your head again, do we?
No.
Hey,
Coming, darling.
what the hell are you playing at?
ऐसे ही मस्ती कर रहा था.
I don't know what's come over you.
It's frustration. Now, come on.
What?
I want us both to go to bed now.
I thought we were going out for lunch.
To hell with that.
Probably that newspaper you've eaten.
Whatever it is, I don't want to waste it.
Pehle, coffee pee le.
No. You go on and get yourselves. You gorgeous animal.
Hang on, did the doorbell just ring?
Yes, you go into bed and I'll see them off. And hey, don't start without me.
Look who has arrived. It's Mr. Mali.
Jogida!
Oh, I think he expects this is the employment exchange, does he?
Yes, well, I suppose the game's up.
Oh, ma.
Don't worry, Sanjay, I couldn't get away with it forever.
You don't have to say anything, sir.
No, I want to.
Well, if there is any criminal offense involved, you might care to speak to your lawyer.
Oh, ma.
Don't worry, Sanjay, you'll be alright.
It's you I'm worried about.
No, well, Sanjay, considering your position,
My position?
and we don't need a lawyer. It's not illegal, is it, Sanjay?
What is it? Shall I tell him or will you?
Tell me what?
I thought you would guess, Inspector.
Guess what?
The reason for me having two flats.
Sanju and I are like that.
Like what?
We are that way inclined.
And what do you mean?
Well, you know. Yes, the love that dare not speak its name. You see, Inspector, this dear man has a flat in Malvinagar above myself and Mrs. Singh. And well, it was love at first sight. And now Sanju, oh, he's choked. I fought it. God knows I fought it. I've always been straight, you see, Inspector. Sanju is queer from way back. But finally, well, I succumbed. I soon realized I couldn't go on deceiving my dear wife at home. So Sanju and I found this little place, our little love nest.
Well, I don't know what to say.
I do. I'm ever so sorry, Jogi.
Not more than I am, darling.
I've done my best.
And I have no complaints, precious.
I am not gay.
I'm not too happy about it either. It's a very delicate situation, huh? Don't get in a tizzy, Sanjay.
Hey!
That's Bindu again, cleaning the bedroom. That's it. Sanju, stop. It's such a headache these days, isn't it?
Hey!
You just stop that and go on with cleaning the toilet.
Yes, sir!
If I don't lock her in, she doesn't do any work. Sanju, you have to speak to her. You're the only one she will listen to, right? I've got Mr. Mali with me. Mr. Mali?
Mr. Mali?
Yes?
You mean that funny fellow?
Yes, that's the one.
What's doing here?
Don't let it upset you, Bindu.
Has he got his cucumber with him?
Bindu really doesn't approve of Sanjay. You know, she's very straight and with him rather bent. Don't bother us for a moment, Bindu.
I won't.
I think you ought to get back home to your wife.
Mira,
Yes, you will probably be needed there to look after her. She has had some very distressing news.
has she?
Yes, about her grandparents.
Her grandparents?
Yes, Mr. Mali knows all about it. He was there when she received the sad news.
What sad news exactly?
Shall I tell him or will you, sir?
I don't care who tells him.
I'm afraid they are both dead, sir.
Mira's grandparents.
Yes, sir.
Both of them.
Yes, sir. They were on a trekking holiday, apparently. It must come as a bit of shock to you.
Yes, it does. You know, Mira's grandfather's been in a wheelchair for 25 years now.
But apparently his wife would push him anywhere.
Anyway, at a time like this, you will probably stay with Meera.
Of course. अरे उसका तो बहुत बुरा हाल होगा. Well, I'll get Mr. Mali to give me more details on that, and then I shall hurry back to Mira.
Yes, and if I were you, I would stay with Meera.
संजय फोन उठाओ. Huh? What?
Hello.
Is it 674310?
Yes, Inspector Thakur speaking.
Oh, good. I got through this time. It's Mrs. Singh speaking.
Mrs. Singh.
From Malviya. आप सुबह हमारे घर आए थे.
Haha, Mrs. Singh. I thought your wife doesn't know anything about this place.
I think I can explain.
Shut up!
Hello?
Sorry, Mrs. Singh. Somebody was interrupting.
Trouble on the line again?
Huh?
The last time I dialed this number, all I could hear was heavy breathing.
Heavy breathing, I say.
I think I can explain.
You shut up!
Well, I am getting very worried about my husband's behavior.
Mr. Singh's behavior.
What's she saying?
You shut up as well, Tinkercell.
Yes! He's been acting very, very queer just lately.
Queer, I see. I think उसे पता चल गया है.
He rang me to say he'd be home in 5 minutes, and that was 20 minutes back. And with everything else that's happened, I am getting very worried.
Yes, I still don't understand why you would ring this number.
I think I can explain.
Sit.
I am ringing because of my